In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix blurry text in Google Chrome. If you've been experiencing fuzzy or unclear text while browsing, it can be quite frustrating and distracting. But don't worry, this is usually an easy issue to resolve with just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in and troubleshoot this problem together. First, you'll want to start by clicking the Start button on your computer. This is usually located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you've done that, go ahead and type Appearance and Performance of Windows into the search bar and press Enter. Doing this will bring up the appearance and performance settings for your system, where you can make changes to how your display looks and operates. When the window opens, you'll see various options available that relate to the visual performance of your Windows system. Here is where you can customize and enhance the way your text and graphics are displayed. Now, look for the option that says Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. This setting can really make a difference when it comes to the clarity of text, not only within Chrome, but throughout your entire system. Make sure there's a check mark beside Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. This setting is crucial because it helps make text appear clearer and sharper by reducing the distortion around each letter's edges. If it's not checked, go ahead and click on the box to enable it. After you've done this, you might notice an immediate improvement in the readability and crispness of the text on your screen. Remember, adjusting this setting can enhance your overall viewing experience, making not only reading text in Google Chrome more comfortable, but improving the visual quality across other programs and apps as well. Just to note, while these settings are mostly left untouched during normal use, sometimes an update or a change in system settings can revert or change these preferences without you realizing it. Once you've enabled it, close the window. It's a good practice to refresh your Chrome browser. You can do this easily by simply closing Chrome completely and then reopening it. This step ensures that any updates to display settings are fully applied to the browser. And there you have it, a simple way to tackle blurry text in Google Chrome. If you followed along with me, your browser should now display text more clearly, helping to reduce eye strain and improve your browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tech tips.